Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Eric. It's Monday the 27th, and we are going to go through tomorrow's workouts and warm up for Tuesday the 28th. First and foremost, if you are going to be doing the gym variation of the workout, we've got one called Soul Cycle, one of those workouts that have 3 rounds of 5 minutes on and then 5 minutes off of rest. All you would need for that workout is going to be a barbell and then either a bike, a rower, or if you want, you could go ahead and run some shuttle runs. So again, that's going to be 3 rounds, 5 minutes on, an AMRAP 5 minutes, and then 5 minutes worth of rest. That's 15 lateral over the bar burpees. So again, those are the burpees that we're going to jump with our body parallel to the bar, and you do not need to have that full extension at the top of that burpee. So stay low, go quickly back and forth. We then have 21 power cleans. Now, with each of these rounds, the power cleans are going to get less and less heavy as we go through. So if I'm not mistaken, the men start at 155, ladies start at 105, going to 135.95 and 115.85. If you're going to scale tomorrow, we'd have the guys start at 115, ladies at 85, next round going down to 105.75, and then 95 and 65. And then when we're done with those power cleans, we have got either 21 calories on a bike or rower for the men, 15 calories on the bike or rower for the ladies, or it will be 21 10-meter shuttle runs. So 21 no matter what, whether it's a male or female, again, because it's not a strength component. When we're talking about distance or speed, we're going to go with an even ratio there for men and women. So it's a 10-meter shuttle run. So you want to take 2 objects, put them about 32 feet apart, and then down is 1, back is 2, as many times as you can there. If you finish that set of 15, 21, and 21 in under 5 minutes, go ahead and start back over again on the lateral bar burpees because it is an AMRAP. All right. You'll then take 5 minutes off once your 5 minutes is up and go ahead and reduce the weight on the bar down to your second weight. Do the same thing, 15, 21, 21. And then the same thing for your third round at your lowest weight, which again, if it was RX, 115.85. For scale, it'd be 95.65 for those power cleans. All right. If you don't finish up a full round, like let's say you only get 17 of the 21 shuttle runs or 17 of the 21 calories on a bike or rower, then it's just how many reps you got in that round. All right, so from there, we have our home WOD. Now there's obviously the video for the home WOD there. That one is called Tiger Balm. It's a 20-minute AMRAP, including a 200-meter run, 7 double dumbbell power clean and jerks, and then 40 double unders. Now one thing to keep in mind, and I'm sure that they'll address this in the video, is that if you don't have 2 dumbbells of the same weight, then we're going to double the amount, and we're going to go alternating dumbbell clean and jerk. All right, so again, if I've got 2 dumbbells, as I've got here, I'm going to take those dumbbells down to the floor, clean and jerk for 1. But if it was just 1, I could do single arm clean and jerk for 7 on each side. It doesn't really matter how you break those up, if it was like 3-3, 4-4, as long as you're hitting 14 there, and then you'll finish up with your double unders. Tomorrow's body armor is also going to need just 1 dumbbell. It's 21, 18, 15, 12, and 9. We're going to go single arm dumbbell bent over rows. Now, if you want to use a bench, you could. You could also just kind of fashion your body position like this. So again, we'd have 21 with my right arm. I would then switch over to 21 with my left arm. Now, if you're taking a weight that is heavy enough that you can't do 21 in a row, that's totally fine, but we will do all 21 in a row on one arm. If you need a break in there, that's cool. And then from there, you have single dumbbell tricep extension. So we'll take that same dumbbell over our head for 21. Second round, it is 18, 18, and 18, 15, 15, 15, 12, 12, 12, and finishing up with 9, 9, 9. So regardless of which workout you're going to do, the gym workout or the home workout, our warm-up today is going to be the same. We're going to have a 6-minute clock just running. This is going to be for quality, so I'd prefer you guys do this well versus just trying to get through them very quickly. We're going to start out with 5 inchworms. So again, with that inchworm, just a small bend of the knees, making sure we're keeping the hamstrings engaged, walking it out. If you want to give a little push-up, you can, and then we'll walk it right back up. Stand up at the top nice and tall. And that is 1. So you'll have 5 of those inchworms. You'll then have 100-meter run, so down 50, back 50. From there, we've got 20 single leg glute bridges, which is just 10 per leg. So again, here, going to extend, keep the foot in place, extending that hip up for 10 per side, and then 40 single unders. I would assume that with a 6-minute running clock, you'll probably get through that 2, maybe a little bit into the 3rd round if I'm not mistaken. All right, so again, that is our workout. We've got our gym wad. If you've got a bike or a rower, or if you want to choose shuttle runs, all you make sure you'd have to have would be a barbell for that one. We've got the home workout, which again, 1 or 2 dumbbells is going to be all you need, as well as your jump rope. And then we've got single dumbbell for our body armor, and then our warm-up doesn't need anything other than just the ability to get outside and run your 100 meters 1 time each round. Again, that's 6 minutes for quality. All right, so again, this is for Tuesday the 28th. If I'm not mistaken, there should be a boot camp for tomorrow. I will confirm that with Amy. And then hopefully we see somebody for virtual class at 4:30 tomorrow night. Thanks much. We'll see you then.